Hi everybody, it's Mark again. Here are two Mastercraft clocks that I bought off a marketplace, and they were only $20 a piece. After shipping and handling, I paid $52.95. But this clock right here is the one I wanted the most. It's the most expensive clock, and let me take you to eBay and show you that. Here's one right here that sold for $60 plus another $16.92 in shipping. And then you got the cheaper clocks. Here's another one that sold for $49.95 plus $14.95 in shipping. And then you got the other clock that sells for around $20. This one sold for best offer, $12 shipping. There's another one up here, sold for $17 plus $5 in shipping, but that's a little bit different. So I thought I was getting a great deal. I think they need to have an IQ test on marketplace. They need people who are experienced in shipping and packing items. Here's the box. No damage whatsoever to the box. This is the only packing the material that they use to pack two clocks. This is the most expensive clock, and as you can see, it's got a scratch in the dial from this lady packing. It works, it keeps time, but that's not what I bought. This is what I'm mad about. Broken dial, broken fireplace. Here's the pieces right here. Here's part of the dial. You know, I paid hard-earned money for these clocks, and she could have at least added another newspaper to protect the two clocks, or another trash bag or something before she put them in this box. And people complain all the time about Goodwill. Yeah, I've ordered over 100 clocks from Goodwill, and I get them in. Goodwill will refund me my money, or they'll give me a partial refund. Yeah, the post office gives you a standard $100 insurance, but it's not the post office's fault. They didn't damage this box like they did to a clock that I packed and sent to somebody after I repaired the clock. This box is in perfect condition. This lady did not use enough packing material, and now I'm stuck with a broken clock. So yeah, that makes me mad. I can't fix this one like I could the cuckoo clock, where the topper was damaged. Is wooden. You can glue wood back together. This, you can glue it back together, but it's going to look like crap. The fireplace is broken. Thanks, lady. Appreciate it. I hope you never sell another clock or another item on Marketplace as long as you live. Sorry, folks, but that's the way I feel.